All right, let's dive into the code. So I have created a contract file, Ether and Wei, that's the name of the contract, and that's the name of the file. So let's create the contracts. Okay, first thing you need to know the difference between Wei and Ether. So when doing transactions, most of the time your transaction gas prices are being charged in Wei, and then you must have heard of Wei, Ether, Wei, Ether. So what do they really mean? So yeah, Wei is like, see, Wei has the smallest units of Ether. So Ether in terms of the Ethereum network. So Ether is the currency for making payments or doing transactions on the Ethereum network. And Wei is like the smallest unit of an Ether. So now in layman's English or understanding, for those of us that are familiar with dollar and cents, so see your Wei as a cent. Now when you have 100 cents, 100 cents makes up $1. If you are in Nigeria, 100 kobo makes 1 naira. So that 1 naira is more or less like your Ether, the value of Ether to Wei. So in terms of Ether and Wei, you have 1 times 18 zeros. So 18 zeros, that's like 10 raised to the power of 18 worth of Wei is equals to 1 Ether. So just like you have 100 cents make $1, 18,000 Wei makes 1 Ether. By 18,000 I mean 18 zeros. So now let's see that in action. So we could have 1 Ether, or let me start with Wei. 1 Wei is equals to 1, and 1 Ether is equals to 1 Ether. So basically, when you are doing this, it would be best to include the value. It's best to include this. So when you include Ether, we know that okay, this is 1 Ether, this is 1 Wei. So because if you do this, let's say we want to check if is 1 Ether equals to 1. Is 1 Ether equals to 1. So let's do this. 1 Ether. That's like 1 Ether equal 1. Sorry, this is supposed to be a bool. Okay, and we're going to do another check here too and say is 1 Wei equal, that like 1 Wei equal 1. So now mainly looking at this is going to give us, when you run this code, when we deploy this smart contract now, we need to make it public. So we need to add the public. It's a state variable, but by default it's private if we don't add the public identifier or modifier. So now what I'm going to do now is to redeploy it. Okay, so as you can see, all this are showing right now. So now if we do is 1, let me start with what I have here, the way we arrange it here. So 1 Wei. So 1 Wei is 1 Wei, and 1 Ether is equals to 18 zeros. And because, so for you to get 1 Ether, you need 18 zeros attached to the 1 to give you 1 eta. So that's 10 raised power of 18. So this can also be expressed as 1e18. That's like 10 raised power of 18. So yeah. And then is 1 way. So here we are checking is 1 way is equals to 1 way. So this is true. And this is false, like I said. So 1 eta is not equals to 1. So but if we do something like this, it's going to be true because this is 18. So this is 1 eta is equals to the same thing as this. Delete this and redeploy. So now if you check is 1 eta now, we should be having true, as you can see. So everything is now true, and this and this. So yeah, guys, that's it for Ether and Wei. I believe you understand it now. If you still find it confusing, please drop your question on the comment section and I'll be right there to answer you. Thank you and see you in my next video. Subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and please subscribe if you have not. It means a lot to me. Thank you very much. See you next time.